Hey there, good morning. It's Brendan with Remax Kelowna, and I've got a thrilling topic to talk about today. Not really. We're talking about life insurance, though, something that's very, very important, especially if you are in the process of buying a house or have just purchased a home, because there's lots of different products out there, and it's not the best thing to be thinking about the end of your life. Nobody likes doing that, and certainly not planning for it, but it's really important, because keep in mind, if anything happens to you, that mortgage doesn't go away. The bank doesn't just call your family up and say, don't worry about the $400,000 you owe us. It gets passed on to the family, and they have to take care of it. So puts them in a potentially very challenging position, and you certainly don't want that. Talk to you about a couple different scenarios. One which I don't like very much, and one which I think is fantastic. First one, the one I don't like very much, is the mortgage life insurance that the lenders offer. Almost every bank offers this product. It's an add-on when you get your mortgage, or an upsell, so they're happy to take your money. Basically, it's an insurance policy that if anything happens to you, you're killed or critical illness, anything like that, they take care of it. The mortgage is forgiven. So it is only for the mortgage, and keep in mind that as time goes on, you're paying down your mortgage, that policy is actually becoming less and less valuable, but it's still costing you the same thing. It also only covers the people that are on title. So in my personal situation, I'm on title with my house. My wife is not. She was in school when we bought the home. Now she's working, so if anything were to happen with her, I'd be on my own. If it happened to me, then it would be covered. So could be a potential problem there. The other thing too is a lot of times these policies aren't underwritten until the time that something happens. So they don't, for example, you might be perfectly healthy today, but in 5 years from now, when something happens, maybe you developed a critical illness or cancer or something like that, there have been cases where the bank says, oh, we don't cover that because this person had cancer, even though at the time you didn't. So I think a far, far better way to go is to go see someone who sells life insurance and get them to set you up, because they can take both husband and wife, you pay into it, you do your medical. Obviously the younger you are, the cheaper it is. The better health you are, the cheaper it is. If you don't smoke, it's cheaper. So it's really important. A lot of first-time buyers and younger people just don't do it because they don't feel they need to, and they've often pinched every penny just to get into the house, and they don't want to be spending an extra $40 or $50 a month. But it's cheap now. Get it while you're young, because a lot of times when you actually think that you need life insurance, you're too old, or it's too expensive, or your medical wouldn't clear and you don't get it. So really important that you do that now, because keep in mind, like I said, if anything happens, your mortgage doesn't just get forgiven, it gets passed on to your loved ones, and you don't want that. So take the time to talk to somebody, review the options. I know for myself, just with my mortgage, it was about $50 a month through the bank just for me, and we sat down with our financial planner and determined that it was about $40 a month for both of us, and the coverage was about $150,000 more than what we were getting. So better product, and if anything happens, you don't have to use it to pay off the mortgage. You can pay off other debts, take care of the final expenses, go on a holiday, do whatever you want. Whereas with the mortgage life insurance, strictly for the mortgage, that's all you get. So that's my spiel on life insurance. Take the time, do your homework, get yourself covered. If you have any questions about life insurance, shoot me an email, brendanstoneman@remax.net. I'd love to hear from you, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care.